Hello guys and welcome back. In today's step-by-step design series, we are going to be looking at this particular flyer. First of all, my name is Abdullah Admiji, lead creative, Akin Graphics and Akin Graphic, and I'm a tutor at Design with King. So without further ado, let's just dive into it.
On the lower facing. Yes, on the lower facing.
So I designed this flyer for TaHacoin, I think like last year, middle of last year. So he was the one that sketched the whole concept. So and it is possible, yes, for your client to sketch the ideas for you. Then you can work with him as to how you can change things or maybe input your own idea so that it will be more creative and actually attract the target audience. So so same goes for this particular flyer. He sketched the ideas for me. Just as he sketched it for me, he told me that this is exactly what he wanted, and I was able to achieve this. So I will start by going to the background and explain how I achieved the background. So this is the background. I use playground here. It is one of the color of TaHacoin. You see, when you do high value and low value of a particular color, then you'll be able to use the color in between those colors. So that is how I achieve this particular color. Then I make sure I put it on noise so that when you see it, so you see something graphite like that. I use noise a lot here. So then I downloaded this thing, but I later removed the background and all that. So this is how it was originally. So and then but we are not using the door yet. So the next thing I did is I had another background. So this is actually another background, but I make sure I add layer mask to remove the old background there. Then moving forward, I do the environment for it, which is all the cloud and everything. But cloud cannot be cloud without the whole design being presented. So you understand? And what I mean by whole design being presented is a situation whereby how will I put this? A situation whereby you know where to put the cloud, where if you are going to be putting it on top or below and all that. So you understand? So that is why it is very important before you create the environment. You must make sure your manipulation is all set. So this is the building that I used. So this is the building that I used, but I make sure I didn't use it this way because this is the first direction I want to approach, but I later don't use it. So I use this direction afterwards. So whereby I put it like side like this, then I create a door for it. So this door is like multi-dimensional this thing. So whereby you go from one word to another word. So you understand. So that's what I want to achieve there. Then I create a background for it that creates some busy day in Lagos. So you understand? You know, it is everywhere on Monday morning like this because idea is to create a day whereby it's quite busy. Wake up and work. You understand? It's busy and everybody is working. So you understand? That is what we are going to be. That's why this concept is. That is why we invented this particular concept. So we want to create a day whereby everybody is busy working and all that. So that is how we created this, and we want to make it look more local. So you understand? Local in between local and top class and lower class, like everybody can trade with our coin kind of a thing. So then I created what else do I created there? So phone. So this phone is to show that they are this the thing they are creating aside from them hustling on their daily job. So this particular environment that I created is for them to show that okay, people are hustling, not that everybody that goes out actually is the only person that hustle. No, people that are actually typing phone too are also hustling. So this is the exact thing that we want to actually create. So, and as you can see, the thing is even upside down. So, but I got that one covered because I have my screen here. So I will just flip it. Then save it. You see this, right? This now is opposite direction. So I think it was like that because I changed the direction of this phone. So to make it look, to make it be at this side, you understand. So the next thing I did is the vehicle, that bus that comes from this inside this thing. So actually it's not a very demanding job though. So because this is downfall and this is the shadow I created for it and all that. Then we have card that serves as a door, so you understand, because we want them to understand that they are moving from a local business dealing, the one that we regularly know, you understand, to a dimension whereby they are just all about smart work, smartphone, this thing, you understand. So that's what we are trying to create here, that their hustle too is more of us hustling on the phone, like me tapping computer, them going outside to work and all that. So basically that's it. Then I created the sunlight, you understand. So using this thing. So originally this is how it was. So and from there to here. So that is it. Then I created environment like cloud that I mentioned earlier. So like cloud. So where is that one safe? Okay, hold on. Before that one, I think so. So bed, but before I created bed, I created cloud. Okay, so this is it. So I created another cloud so that it will make it look more natural, more authentic, more creative. You understand? So before I go ahead, I make sure this side is dark. You know, the focus of your image is also very important, and the focus of your camera is also very important. And when you camera this thing, especially when the light is coming from the back like this, and we have guidance this thing that is covering up most of all these things, so we have to create a shadow that is goes in line in direction of that particular sun. So you understand. So now if the sun is coming from the back, definitely the shadow is going to be in the front. So that is why this phone also have shadow like this, and the card also have shadow like this. And the shadow, I created shadow for this one too, but let me see where I put it here. So we have where is this one? Okay, this one is not part of it. Uh, I honestly don't know where I put this thing. But the cloud is supposed to be more than this. So let's just go ahead and trade with TaHacoin. Then we have this shape and this shape. So then this one is not part of it because this is the first concept I tried to explore, but it doesn't work. Let me show you. So this is it. But TaHacoin told me that he wants something like downfall so that it can look more of Nigerian made kind of a thing. So that's why I unseen this one. So either can come back to it, then it can be useful, so you understand. So then the frames, yes, the this one transfer and this thing. So I transparent this type, that's why it was like that, and I put shadow on it below it rather, so that it will look like that. Then bird, so what is sunshine, or let me say sunlight without birds. So and then more clouds, so you understand. Then more birds, so you understand. So you know every morning is all about bed and all that, you understand. Then I put red here so that it can look more realistic. Yeah, I'm used to that word, more realistic. So that is how I achieved this particular design. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and share with your creative form.